Very warm good morning, kids. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to study environmental studies looking around. Our today's topic of science is chapter number 14 Baswa's Farm. Before starting with the chapter, let us see general instructions. First is mind mapping. It holds the introduction and main highlights of the chapter. Next is aims and objectives that shows the outcomes of the lesson after learning and understanding of the chapter. For better and easy understanding of the chapter, PPT is given. Spell the words after listening the reading of the chapter and learn new words and also their meanings. Watch the video and understand the chapter whenever you feel difficulty. PDF of assignment and question answers are given so that you can revise and practice the concepts of the chapter. Creative writing and web charts are also given so that you can know and learn more about the chapter. All points are very important. Kindly adhere them. Now, first of all, let us see the aims of the lesson. First is to learn about different steps of farming. To know and learn about the journey of seeds from a farm to the market. To learn about different farming equipments and their uses. Okay, kids, now tell me, whenever I say the word farmers, what first thing comes to your mind? Yes, think, and tell me. Okay, good. So, whenever we hear the word farmer, first thing that comes to our mind is agriculture. Someone who grow crops, who works on fields, hard work. Maybe two types of farmer like small farmers and big farmers. Now it's time to start with the lesson. Kids, as you all are aware, farmer's life is very difficult. He depends on crops for his survival. Climate plays a very important part in cultivation. A farmer has to do lots of hard work to grow crops. And if there is no rain, then all his hard work goes in vain. Or if there is excess of rain, then also all his hard work goes in vain. So, it is very difficult for farmer to survive and earn his livelihood. In this chapter, we are going to learn about onion crops. How a farmer grow onion crops? What steps he need to follow to grow onion crops? All these things we are going to see in this chapter. Okay, now kids, open your NCERT. We are going to read the chapter and understand side by side. I am Baswa. My father is a farmer. We live in Belvanika village in Karnataka. It is the month of July. Like every year, Appa, my father, is preparing the field to sow the onion crops. There are so many things to be done at this time. To help him, I too go to the fields with Appa. In the last few days, Appa has been using khunti, an iron rod, to dig the soil, loosen it, and make it soft. So, kids, today we are going to meet Baswa. Yes, Baswa is a very good child who not only study but also help his father in doing field work. Baswa's father is a farmer and his father is preparing field to sow onion crop. Which crop they are going to grow? Onion crop. Okay. And Baswa help his father in doing all this work. Do you know, kids, in which month do we grow onion crops? Yes, it is month of July. So now, first step of growing crops and especially onion crop is preparing the soil. And how farmers prepare the soil? They prepare the soil with the help of khunti. Because khunti is used to dig the soil, loosen it and make it soft. Okay, now I am going to tell you where is Belvanika village. As you can see map of India in front of you. The state marked with purple color is Karnataka. Okay, and in Karnataka there is one village whose name is Belvanika. Okay, kids? And this is how khunti looks. It is an iron rod that is used to dig the soil, loosen it, soften it so that farmers can do agriculture on it. Now, let's proceed to the second steps of farming. That is sowing the seeds. This year also, my father will sow onion seeds in the field. The bullock will pull the kurgi and Appa will walk behind them, sprinkling the seeds. I would also like to do this, just like my Appa. But Appa says that it is necessary to drop right amount of seeds at regular distance. This is not easy to do. He says that I may drop too many seeds at one place. I must wait till I am little older to be able to do this properly. Now, second step of farming is sowing the seeds. And the instrument that is used to sow the seed is kurgi. Do you know, kids, how kurgi looks? I will tell you. This is how kurgi looks. Kurgi is used for sowing the seeds in cultivated land or cultivated soil. Also, kids, it is very important to drop right amount of seeds at regular distance. Otherwise, our crop will not be healthy. See, what should be the distance between onion crops? It should be that much enough that all the crops get enough space to expand and grow. Okay? So kids, today we had learned two steps of farming. First one is to prepare the soil, and second one is to sow the seeds. We are going to continue this chapter in the next part of the video. Thank you.